In my last video, we drew Oreo, a baby magpie. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw and paint a vibrant background to enhance this drawing. For this project, you will need the following supplies: Prismacolors or Faber-Castell Polychromos, paintbrushes, odorless paint thinner, a sharpener, an eraser, and a pencil. Begin by coloring the background with neutral browns and greens in the bottom left-hand corner. Be sure to avoid coloring inside the leaves. To avoid smearing the colors on the bird, simply cover with wax paper. Continue coloring while rotating through your colors for variety. Above the branch, begin using lighter, bolder shades of green and color abstract shapes with each color. It's important that you have interesting negative space. Negative space is the space in between and around main objects. Gradually get lighter and lighter toward the right side of the drawing. To blend your pencil strokes to look like paint, fill a cup with a little bit of paint thinner. You will also need a paper towel. These are the 3 paintbrushes I used. Your goal is to blend your pencil strokes to look smooth like paint. See how nice and blended that looks? Now let's begin coloring the leaves at the bottom. You will need light yellow, light blue, dark green, and black. You may also need a light olive green. Watch the order in which I color them. These are the colors you'll need for the flowers. Watch closely to see the order of colors I use for each flower. Notice the texture lines I apply on each petal. I like how the blue helps to soften the petal. Use the dark purple to add a shadow underneath the branch. dark purple is also perfect for adding additional texture. Keep watching as I speed things up a bit. For the leaves, begin first by coloring with yellow. Then layer with additional shades of green, brown, and even a little bit of orange. We're almost finished. I love how the purple contrasts against the bright yellow background. Did you know that yellow and purple are complementary colors? So are black and white. That's why the colors in this drawing work so well together. I decided to add a few additional branches for depth. Take your dark purple and add a few finishing touches. Using the paint thinner, again, blend your pencil strokes. You thought I was done. Well, I wanted to show you a quick trick. If you want to add additional petals to your drawing, here's what you do. Mix a few shades of blue, purple, and pink using acrylic paints. Acrylics easily paint over drawings that are done on watercolor paper. So if you feel like your drawing needs an extra touch, you can use the paint to add on to your work of art. I wasn't quite satisfied with the few flower petals that I drew and wanted to add more. You don't have to do the same, but can follow along if you want to. Watch how these additional paint strokes add to my drawing. The thing about many artists is that we are perfectionists. Everything has to be done just right. I wanted to add more blue to complement the colors in the bird's feathers. I think the additional petals are really adding to the overall look of the painting. I might change the shape of this petal a little to make the bird stand out a little more. Okay, now I'm completely satisfied. I love how it turned out. How did you do? Did you like this project? Please like and share this video. And for many more tips, tricks, and fun projects, be sure to subscribe today. We'll see you next time.